Okay, this video is going to be about the left side sweetheart pattern. This is going to be an 8-count pattern, all right? 2 walks, all right, and 2 counts put in between the triples. And this is going to be done 3 different ways. So we're going to go back and forth. It's a little lengthy on this one, okay? So we're going to go back and forth, giving you all 3 variations. So let's start with this. We're going to start off with a right-to-right handshake. Now, how do you get to that? It's basically off the sugar push. If you're doing anything pattern-wise, free spins, you can end up changing hands to a handshake position, okay? Now, from this point, we're going to go from here, and we're just going to step it off and do a left side pass variation. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice and easy. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice and easy. Now I kind of stop and let her continue moving forward to come out nice and smooth. The next one is going to be a spin at the end, okay? So we're going to give her a little prepping on those 2 walks. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You feel that? Okay, here we go. Let's do that again. And 1, 2, 3, and prep. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. All right. Now, for the third one, we're going to do that little bit of a rotation spin for her, but we're not going to go over her head. We're just going to do a rotated spin and change hands. And the guy's doing the changing, okay? Still a little prepping involved here on 2 counts. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, catch the hand, 7 and 8. Now you catch here, like I call fucks. And a hound is like this, okay, trapping is on top. Cool? So let's do that one more time. Shaking the hands. And 1, 2, 3, and prep. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. So what I want you to do is take the time that's needed to go through each and every one of these. Take your time and practice those. Remember, breathe, practice, 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 together or separate, and then come on back and learn a new pattern.